Hey there, I'm Brianna with WTI, and this is my amazing Huntkey surge protector. So this surge protector has 12 outlets and 3 USBs. I love using this for my entertainment center because here I can have my sound bar, my subwoofer, my TV, my security camera, a lamp, and I also have an iPad charger and a little heater. And with the 2 other USBs, I can also charge these little magnetic LED lights that I have. And you can see everything works great, no problems with charging. And the outlets are so nicely spaced that you really won't have issues cramming everything in. And of course, it has a way to mount it onto the wall if you prefer to do that. So here you can see everything I've got plugged in, everything is turned on, my lamp, my sound system, my iPad's charging, my TV's on, my security camera's going, and everything works so great. And I love knowing that all of these things are protected with up to 4,000 joules of surge protection, which is outstanding for a surge protector. So if you're looking for a really reliable surge protector that's going to protect your electronics or your other expensive appliances in case of power outages or surges, and is also just going to have plenty of space to plug in all of your things plus USBs, then get this Huntkey surge protector. I think you're going to love it like I do, but that's just my point of view.